Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at AdroFx. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AdroFx is a beginner-friendly broker that was founded in 2018 and is regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. AdroFx's parent company, Adro M Group, is based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and is regulated by the VFSC, or Financial Services Authority. This broker offers many account types that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and allpips platforms. AdroFx is also a great option if you are looking for a copy trading broker, and we highly recommend trading with this broker if you are trading for the first time. With AdroFx, you can enjoy commission-free, low-cost trading, free educational content, high-quality market news and analysis, as well as competitive trading conditions. AdroFx offers more than 60 Forex currency pairs, share CFDs in more than 20 leading American companies, 4 popular cryptocurrencies, and a wide range of indices and metals. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with AdroFx, click on the top Markets tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down list, or use the menus at the bottom of the page. This broker offers a well-developed, user-friendly website. All the information you need about the accounts you can open, the trading conditions offered, the platforms you can use, and the instruments you can trade can all be found by either using the menu bar or the listed menus at the bottom of the homepage. You will also find account features highlighted on the homepage, along with a list of advantages of trading with AdroFx. Download links for the platforms and an account comparison table can be found further down the page. AdroFx offers 24-hour customer support, and you can contact the support team via email, live chat, or telephonically. Direct email addresses for different departments can be found on the Contact Us page, and you can also submit a web ticket or request a callback directly from this page. If you make a deposit of $300 or more, AdroFx will reimburse 30% of your deposit amount with a withdrawable insurance bonus. AdroFx also offers a 100% welcome bonus and a 30% deposit bonus, in addition to the insurance bonus. You can also increase your earnings with the AdroFx referral program. All you need to do is create an account and get your friends and family to join using your unique referral link. So why not open an account and bring some friends along with you? There are 7 types of accounts that you can open with AdroFx, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. The accounts offered are split into 2 categories. There are 3 accounts that you can use on the allpips platform, and 4 accounts that you can use with MetaTrader 4. And demo accounts are also available for both platforms. All accounts have negative balance protection and are secured by SSL encryption. Client funds are stored in segregated bank accounts with top-tier banking firms. The maximum leverage on all accounts is 1 to 500, and the AdroFx accounts are commission-free. The Cent and Micro accounts are recommended for beginners, and you can also use these accounts to test your strategies in a live market environment. If you are new to trading, then you can practice using a demo account in the meantime. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. Firstly, we are going to take a look at all the accounts you can use on the allpips platform. You can choose between the fiat account, the crypto account, or the cent account. A minimum deposit of $100 is required to open the fiat and crypto accounts. However, you can start trading with as little as $25 on the cent account. All three accounts can be used for copy trading, and you can trade more than 117 forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, and spot metals using these accounts. With the crypto account, you can trade 5 of the most popular cryptocurrencies with no commission fees, and this account can also be used for staking. The spreads on the fiat and crypto accounts start from 0.4 pips and 2 pips on the cent account. However, the cent account has the smallest lot sizes and is recommended for beginners and strategy testing. Next, we will take a look at all the MetaTrader 4 accounts you can open with AdroFx. Starting from the lowest minimum deposit of $25, the micro account is similar to the allpips cent account, and we recommend trading on this account if you are a beginner. This account also offers spreads from 2 pips, and your deposits will be converted to cents, so a $25 deposit will become 25,000 US cents. You can also open a MetaTrader 4 standard account, and this account is suitable for both novice and experienced traders. The MetaTrader 4 standard account requires a minimum deposit of at least $100 and offers spreads from 1.2 pips. If you plan on making a larger deposit, you can open either the MetaTrader 4 Premium account or the MetaTrader 4 Professional account. The MetaTrader 4 Premium account offers spreads from 0.4 pips and requires a deposit of at least $2,000, and the MetaTrader 4 Pro account offers spreads from 0.3 pips with a minimum deposit requirement of $10,000. We highly recommend trading with AdroFx if you need to use a swap-free account. The MetaTrader Standard, Premium, and Pro accounts all can be used as swap-free accounts, and you can trade forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, stocks, and metals with a swap-free account. Muslim clients are not charged interest or rollover fees with this type of account. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions AdroFx offers, click on the Accounts tab. Your AdroFx accounts can be used on either the MetaTrader 4 platform or the allpips trading platform. MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and more. This platform comes with easy-to-read interactive charts, and you can monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. These platforms can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. AdroFx also offers a cloud-based web terminal known as allpips. Allpips is a beginner-friendly one-click trading web trader with an intuitive dashboard, and if you are interested in copy trading, then we recommend trying this platform. With allpips, you can switch between fully customizable candlestick charts, bar charts, and line charts. You can add 5 of the most popular indicators to your chart, compare different instruments, and refine your trading strategies with drawing tools. Allpips makes it easy to manage your accounts and orders, and to monitor your trading performance. You can easily switch between the standard dashboard and the copy trading dashboard also. Download links for these platforms can be found by clicking on the Platforms tab. If you are interested in copy trading, simply open one of the allpips accounts, launch the web trader, and switch over to the copy trading dashboard. All you need to do is fund your account and choose a strategy provider to follow. You can choose to trade manually or have semi-automated and fully automated accounts, and AdroFx has a thriving social trading community with thousands of strategy providers. Creating an account with AdroFx may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the AdroFx homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Complete the online application form. Next, verify your account and email address, and then log in to the client portal. Once your account is approved, verified and set up, you can fund your account and start trading with AdroFx. After your account has been set up, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with AdroFx. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational resources online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Your accounts can be funded using bank wire transfers, Visa and MasterCard credit cards, debit cards, Skrill, Neteller, and other third-party applications. You can also fund your account using cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. We recommend trading with AdroFx if you are new to trading, because this broker provides plenty of high-quality educational videos, tutorials, and trading guides. As a client, you will also get access to exclusive daily trading signals, updated market news, daily market analysis, and an economic calendar. AdroFx also provides trading calculators and offers VPS servers. All the educational resources, research material, and trading tools can be found by either clicking on the Trading Tools tab or the Market Analysis tab. We usually look at the awards our top-rated brokers have received in order to get a better understanding of what their strengths are. AdroFx does not seem to have any awards listed on their website. However, this is a low-risk broker that is regulated and safe. Your funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks, and AdroFx adheres to strict anti-money laundering policies. Overall, what sets AdroFx apart from other brokers is that this broker offers commission-free trading on all accounts. And for $10,000 or less, you'll get institutional-grade spreads on accounts that can be used for copy trading and any trading strategies. AdroFx offers several types of trading bonuses, and high-quality educational resources are provided. So this broker is a great option for beginners. We recommend AdroFx for all types of traders, whether it's your first time trading or if you're looking for a broker with flexible accounts and powerful trading platforms. AdroFx has it all. So if you are interested, be sure to open your account today and make your first deposit to claim your bonuses and get a head start on your trading career with AdroFx. And that is our overview of AdroFx. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.